Sunday morning, and I'm cooking Jamaican Sunday dish, rice and peas and fried chicken. So guys, come along with me, come cook with me now, okay guys? Okay, so here I have my peas. I put in there some garlic and I just boil the peas, so I'll soon show you what I do next, okay? Here I have my chicken cut up. I put seasoning on it already. I put tomato, onion, carrot and garlic, and what else? Yes, I think, yeah, and sweet pepper. So this is how my chicken looks so far. Yes. Yes guys, this is how my Sunday dinner look. Yes, rice and peas and fried chicken with my vegan vegetable, Jamaican style. Yes guys, this is the end of my Sunday dinner. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Please subscribe, share and comment and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Okay guys, see you on the next video. Bye. Bless you. Happy Sunday. Big up on yourself. Okay guys.